I'm going to take you through a great back exercise, lat pull downs with the tube. Go ahead and take that arm right out in front of you. I'm not overhead, I'm in front. Here we go, pull it down. Notice I'm pulling to the back of my body, using my shoulder blades. Let's go ahead and add some squats while we're at it. So I'm sitting back in my heels, I'm doing shoulder work because the arm that's holding the tube at the top up there is working hard. So lat pulls with a squat. Sit way back in the heels. Oh, my top arm's already fatigued, so you're working multiple body parts. Give me a couple more, and then we will switch sides. Here we go. Take it to the other side, same place, double grip, and we are off. Make sure that that arm is out in front of you and above, and I'm pulling the elbow behind my body. Sit into the heels to get a great squat, but this is a bonus. The lats are what we're trying to work. Pull it back, sit way back, shoulder blades. Squeeze it behind the back, focus on that top shoulder, not moving. Give me a couple more. Lat pull downs with squats. Until next time.